Hi, I'm Michael Foreman. I'm the head chef at Around the Table in Camas, Washington. And today I'm going to show you how to dry fresh chilies and peppers. Many different ways to do this. You can get a food dehydrator. You could, that's a little expensive unless you're planning on doing a lot of dehydrating. Another way is putting it in an oven, but that's about 150 to 200 degrees and takes about 12 or 14 hours. And not many people really have the time or really want to leave their oven on absent that long. But this is the way I like to do it. It's the old school kind of way. Just hang them outside. Get a needle and a heavy thread and just weave through. There's all kinds of different peppers, so drying times for all these are going to be different. You could use them for many, many different things, making chili powders, and use them in pepper grinders. Make your own like ground pepper, just spicing up anything. And once you have the peppers threaded, you just hang them outside. Of course, you're going to want to mainly do this during the summer because you want them in the sun direct so they can dry out. And depending on, like I said, there's so many different kinds of peppers, different moisture contents, sizes, and all that. It's going to take at least a good month, 2 weeks to a month, depending. And after that, you are ready to go.